Hello guys, and welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 ways to promote your digital products. Okay, so maybe you're struggling to sell your digital products and you need ideas of different ways for you to promote your digital product. Make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to show you 5 different ways that you can do that. All right, now if this is your first time of coming onto this channel, I want to say welcome to this channel. My name is Awajimam Isioto, and on this channel I share stuffs about how to do things online, okay, how to do stuffs online, and I talk about different business opportunities that can help you make more money and grow your business. All right, so if you are on this channel right now watching this video, I am very glad to have you, and I want to say welcome to this channel. Now, before I go into the video in depth, I need you to kindly do me this favor: just like this video and subscribe to this video. And when you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell. Okay, what that means is when you hit the notification bell, it means that when I post new videos, you are going to be the first to be notified. All right, so having said that, I believe you have done that. Okay, so let's go straight into the video. Let me show you 5 ways to promote your digital products. So number 1 way to promote your digital product is to use free webinars. What are free webinars? Free webinars are just trainings that you host online. Okay, you can gather people, and then when you gather people, you teach them about a skill that you know, you teach them about something that is a challenge, you give them a solution. Okay, you give them a solution. What that means is that you are sharing insights, you are offering solutions, you are talking about how to solve challenges. All right, and then when you do this correctly, you are going to notice that somehow you are going to be perceived as someone who understands the challenge and someone who has the solution. All right, indirectly or directly, you are going to be building authority for yourself in that field, and then people are going to eventually trust you, and when they trust you, you can then sell to them and you can make a lot of money from that. All right, that's number 1 way to promote your products. Number 2 is word of mouth. Word of mouth marketing is about telling people about your digital product and encouraging them to try your product and also tell their family and friends. This is as simple as it sounds. It's just me telling you that my product is live, my product is available online on a particular space. Okay, and once I tell you, I persuade you and I encourage you to purchase. And once you purchase, I also encourage you to also tell your friends. This is what word of mouth marketing is all about. Very easy, very simple. Number 3 is using influencers. This is simply to collaborate with influencers, or affiliates who align with your brand. Now, as long as you have the internet, you can actually connect with people and let them know that you have a product so that they can become affiliate for you. What that means is that they are promoting for you and getting a certain commission. This also works with influencers. It just depends on how you make your arrangements. Okay, but this works. Now, if you want to learn how to use influencers, there is a book that I can recommend for you. If you want it, just go to the comment section. I'm going to drop it for you. Okay, go to the comment section and type I want to have the book for influencers. Okay, the book for influencers. I'm going to drop a link for you, or you can go to the link in my description. I'll drop it for you. Okay, that's number 3. Number 4 is to create YouTube content. Okay, just like this one you're watching right now, you can create YouTube content. You can create a YouTube channel and start talking about solutions, start talking about the things that people really want to hear. Okay, you can pick a niche depending on your area of expertise. Okay, maybe you're talking about photography, maybe you're talking about a particular service, maybe you're talking about weight loss. Just pick a niche and start talking about it, the area that you know that you are good at, okay, that you want to sell your product on. Okay, that area, just pick a niche, create a YouTube channel, pick a niche and start sharing your content. Okay, you can also do that on TikTok. All right, create engaging YouTube videos showcasing your digital products. Okay, and then at the end of your video, you can put a call to action. A call to action means you're telling people, okay, to learn more about this, click on the button right now. Okay, just like you're watching this now. If you want to learn more about how to promote, okay, click on the link that you see in the description. I'm dropping a link for you there. Make sure you click on the link. All right, you can see that's how to use a call to action. That's how to promote with YouTube content and link redirection. Okay, that's number 4. Now the 5th one, which is one that you want to know. Number 5, WhatsApp marketing. WhatsApp marketing is a very, very powerful way to promote your product. This involves the use of all of WhatsApp features to promote and market your digital product to your contact. Now, the secret about this is not just posting online. You need to have more contacts. If you want to sell more, you need a lot of contact. You need a lot of people to see your product before you can sell, because the more contacts you have, the more likely you're going to sell. Okay, and not a lot of people know about how to do this. If you don't know how to do WhatsApp marketing correctly, go to the link in the description. I will drop a link to where I talked about different ways you can promote your digital products using WhatsApp. Okay, now even if you don't sell digital products, but you sell maybe any other kind of product online, you can also use WhatsApp to sell. Okay, that video is a video you must watch, because I've created very, very important information in that video. So go to the link in the description. I'll drop that also, a link to how you can sell on WhatsApp. Okay, just go to the link in the description. That is number 5. That's 5 ways to promote your digital products. If you got value from this video, kindly like this video, make sure you turn on the notification bell and subscribe to the video, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.